Hi guys, I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'm going to discuss something completely different and show you and explain my thoughts to you about the Gua Sha Stone. I know that I've shown you previously in one of my tutorials me using the jade facial roller, which I absolutely love. I've recently been using the Gua Sha Stone by Decleor, and honestly, I have seen like insane differences in my skin and also just feeling a lot more relaxed like with my face. I thought, why don't I share with you exactly how I've been using this, show you the technique of how to use this and how I've been using this, and explain to you what the benefits are. Stay tuned guys, and I'm gonna go through Gua Sha Stone with you guys.
About me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
First, start by explaining why I'm using the black Obsidian Gua Sha Stone and what the benefits are of this stone. Unlike other stones, this particular stone helps to retain warmth. Now, that's really good because what this does is it helps to get rid of congested, blemish-prone skin. So if you've been experiencing breakouts, or if you just feel like your skin's got clogged and your pores are getting cloggy, then this stone will really help encourage the lymphatic drainage in your skin. The warmth of the stone, it pulls and encourages stimulation of the skin and the circulation of the lymphatic system. So this is why I'm using this stone, because you can get quite a lot of different Gua Sha stones. You can have the jade stone, like there are quite a few different types, and the reason why I'm using this one is because of the fact that it helps with unclogging your pores and congested skin. So overall, my aim when I use this stone is one, to obviously help uplift my skin, but also to help brighten and remove any clogged pores. If I'm experiencing or going to have any breakouts, I'd rather avoid that basically. This has been helping. This has honestly been helping with that. Like that's one of the main crucial points about why I'm using this specific stone. The Obsidian Stone is derived from molten lava once it's cooled down. It's an igneous rock. This is why it results in like this really smooth texture and glass-like feel, hence why stone retains heat, like it's a warm stone. Moving on to the benefit, why use this stone? So obviously this specific stone helps with blemishes, helps with unclogging your pores and increasing lymphatic drainage of your facial skin and your neck. It increases circulation in these areas. However, what it also does is it reduces the appearance of wrinkles and helps relax the skin, hence firming the skin over time, which for me are all pros. Like, why not? So I'm gonna go into how I use this on my skin. So before using this stone, I would prep my skin, and I prep my skin by doing two things. One, hydrating it with this organic rose water mist. I am very generous with the amount of hydrating mist that I spray onto my skin, and this literally just helps hydrate the skin, which is what you're trying to do, because you want to, one, hydrate the skin, and two, create plumpness before you use this rock, and basically that then aids its functionality. Then I like to go in my Decleor hydrating oil serum, and this literally once again adds to the hydration but helps plump my skin, and it creates like a really nice soft smooth barrier on my skin to allow the stone to work seamlessly across my face. I am going to first go in with my hydrating mist. So whilst my skin is quite damp, I am going to go in with my oil. First, make sure obviously that your skin is clean, so do not do this on dirty skin. So go and wash your face first, cleanse it. Literally, I like to take around 3-4 drops of this. To activate this, I then rub this into my hands, pat this onto my face, onto my eyes, onto my forehead, and then onto my neck. In an upwards direction, just massage this into my skin, but not too much because I want to keep the oil which is there. Then I'm going to go in with my stone. So when I use the stone, I like to start off with my neck. The correct technique when you're using this stone, the edges are not hard, but don't work with the edges, you always want the stone to be flat when using it on your skin. So wherever you use it, whatever angle you use it in, ensure that the stone is literally flat. The pressure you want to use is around sort of medium pressure. In certain areas you want to use completely light pressure, so you don't want to be forcing this onto your skin. So you're working between light to medium pressure throughout. And the speed of it, try being quite mindful when you're doing this. So be slow about this, take your time, and usually I would recommend doing this in the evening so that you're relaxed before going to sleep. That's the other benefit. It just literally relaxes you. So basically I work across my neck because you want to make sure you do the two sides and then the middle. So I start off with one side at a time, and I would take the flat edge and literally just go, I would say, just above your collarbone, and then keeping the stone flat, so on the flat side, I then like to just very slowly and firmly just bring this up to my chin, and then I wiggle it a bit. And that wiggling just allows a slight massage feel, and then take it back again. And then do the same on the other side. Once you've done the edges, then you want to focus on the middle. So I kind of find the middle point of my thorax here. Then I will literally use this side here, the flat side of it, and just like that, bring it up to my neck. Do not talk when you're doing it, guys. So you repeat that also 5 times. Then I work with my jawline next. So this time you want to focus on using this bend here to sort of angle your jawline. So literally find the middle point, make it flat in the direction you want to go, and then you're literally focusing on taking it completely up your jawline. When you get to your ear / your temple, raise it and then wiggle it. And that basically really helps with the flow of the circulation through that area, and also helps define your jawline. Did you see how I'm draining my lymphatics basically in that upwards direction? So that's the jawline done. Then you want to focus on the sides of your mouth and your nose. So your sort of your main sort of facial area. For this part, you want to use the flat edge. And the way I like to do this first is I get my finger, sort of pull my nose to the side, literally into the dip of my nose. I then literally pull this up into my temples and then shake it at the end. And when you're lifting it, try and focus on lifting everything upwards. So that focus was on my cheekbone. So now the next part is going to be under my cheekbone. So you're literally taking it underneath your cheekbone. So the stone will guide you. When you're putting your pressure, that should also help take it into the specific areas. And when you do this a couple of times, you'll get the practice of it. Like, it won't be such a thought-provoked process, if that makes sense. And then I'm going to do the under part of this side as well. now we're going to come to the under eye area. Now when using this, I'm going to use this part here for the under eye. Now you have to be super delicate when you're using this under your eye. Now I once again like to place my finger just in the inner corner, and then just directly underneath where my eye is, I will literally just very lightly just glide this into my eye, and then I like to lift into my temples, and then at the angle create a vibration. Flat underneath your eye all the way until you get to the end of your eye, just underneath your eyebrow bone, and then lift into your temples, and then once it touches your hairline, angle it and then shake it. And that's gonna literally give you such a nice massage feeling and just help you feel really relaxed. So the next is the eyebrow bones. Using the denty part, so the flat side of the denty part, I am going to place this on the eyebrow bone and literally just take this across my eyebrow and then up my temples. You can do it as many times as you want. I've literally done it a few times. I would recommend doing it 5 times when you're doing this properly as like a routine. I would also recommend doing this like 3 to 4 times a week. Not every single day, but 3 to 4 times a week is a good number. Then the next is your forehead. So the way I do the forehead, I like to take the small flat side and I basically just rest my hand on my eyeball, and the reason why I do this is so that it holds my sort of skin, and then literally I take this over my eyebrow bone into my forehead and then to the top and then wiggle. So guys, that is literally it. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed this. Honestly, you will feel so relaxed, so zened out afterwards. Imagine how your skin is feeling. Like if it makes you feel this relaxed, then it's just doing such good positive things for your skin. 100% would recommend this. Depending on your skin type, obviously you can go for a different stone if that's what you're looking for. But if you're trying to target blemishes, unclogging of your pores and suppleness of your skin, then I would 100% recommend this. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I hope you've enjoyed my video. Stay tuned because I have amazing content coming your way, and don't forget to ring that bell of yours because every Monday and every Friday I upload a new video with amazing juicy content. So stay tuned guys. Thank you so much, and thank you for all of your love. Bye.